Dora po kakamen. I don't like you, unworthy servant, lazy servant. Take away anything from him and cast him around. Cast him outside. Rabi kakamen. Apan ang sa commendation, well done, thou good and faithful servant. You have been trusted with little, I can trust you with much. And by the way, that's the universal principle of stewardship and responsibility. When we have learned to do our best with every little thing that we do, we are practicing to do our best for bigger things. Walay mga tao ron na naa sa dako nga responsibility na dili maayo ang ilang pagdumala sa smaller ones. Naay quotation nga I read it in the Ministry of Healing 457, 457, 458. When I read that, I said, Lord, help me. Give me an opportunity to live up to this motto. So I have memorized that verbatim because I liked it. I like the essence of the quotation from the Pen of Inspiration. It says, the Lord has no place in His work for people who have greater desire to win the crown than to wear the cross. He wants men who are more intent upon doing their duties than upon receiving their reward. He wants men who are more eager to uphold principle than to aspire for promotion. When we begin doing the Lord's work, doon naman ko'y ginganlan sa ato nga ecclesiastical terminology o ecclesiastical ladder